ये दोगलापन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का भी नहीं चलेगा। फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लोग जो घड़ियाली आंसू जंतर मंतर के लिए बहा रहे थे, वो सेम आंसू इनको अब ये बच्चों के लिए भी झारखंड में भी बहाने चाहिए, उनकी भी तो दुविधा है। जब देखो जो चाहे उनकी फिल्में हो, चाहे उनकी बातें हो, चाहे उनके इंटरव्यूज हो, ये पाकिस्तान की प्रेम कथा कब खत्म होगी? जब देखो पाकिस्तान के प्रेम में ये मरे रहते हैं।
Kangana Ranaut has a message for Bollywood, and this time she's naming names. After calling Naseeruddin Shah a fox, Kangana is now accusing the film industry of shedding crocodile tears over student protests, while allegedly staying silent on the crackdown in Jharkhand. And amid the controversy, the actor-politician was also seen celebrating Teej with Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. So how did a Bollywood feud over celebrity silence turn into a Jharkhand versus Jantar Mantar debate? Here's everything you need to know. Kangana Ranaut has now openly defended her controversial Lomadi of Fox remark against veteran actor Naseeruddin Shah. Speaking to ANI, Kangana said this was not a new issue and alleged that the film industry has always held this attitude. She also brought up past protests and claimed that when Parliament was attacked, several of her parliamentarian friends had their cars climbed upon and windows smashed.
ये अब की बात नहीं है, ये फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का ये रवैया हमेशा रहा है। आपने देखा है कि जंतर मंतर पर जो पार्लियामेंट पर जो ये अटैक हो रहा था, जब मेरे कितने पार्लियामेंटेरियन फ्रेंड हैं जिनकी गाड़ियों पे लोग चढ़ गए थे, उनके शीशे जो है तोड़ दिए थे, आप सब जानते हैं।
Kangana also recalled protests outside her own residence. She claimed that around 2,500 people had gathered outside her house, that some even climbed up to the gate, and that such a large police force had to be deployed that they couldn't sleep at night. And Kangana's allegation that while such situations were unfolding, some people from the film industry were shedding crocodile tears.
किसी से छुपा नहीं है, मेरे घर के बाहर जो है गेट तक लोग चढ़ गए थे, कम से कम नहीं तो यहाँ पे 2,500 लोग मेरे गेट के बाहर था, और यहाँ पे इतनी पुलिस फोर्स बुलानी पड़ी कि रात को तो हम सो नहीं पाए। तो इस तरह की जो स्थिति जब बनी हुई थी, तो ये सब जो है वो घड़ियाली आंसू रो रहे थे।
But Kangana didn't stop there. She then questioned what she described as Bollywood's continued fascination with Pakistan. She pointed to films, statements and interviews and asked when the industry's alleged love affair with Pakistan would finally end. Kangana argued that decades after partition, this issue still remained relevant and said Bollywood was answerable for what she sees as this continued focus.
जब देखो जो चाहे उनकी फिल्में हो, चाहे उनकी बातें हो, चाहे उनके इंटरव्यूज हो, ये पाकिस्तान की प्रेम कथा कब खत्म होगी? जब देखो पाकिस्तान के प्रेम में ये मरे रहते हैं। आई वांट टू नो कि अब पार्टीशन को भी इतने साल हो गए हैं, तो ये लव स्टोरी खत्म क्यों नहीं हो रही है?
The latest exchange goes back to Naseeruddin Shah's comments on celebrity silence during student protests. Shah had questioned why several A-list celebrities were not speaking up, using the analogy of a dog with a bone in its mouth that cannot bark. That remark was then questioned by actor-singer Piyush Mishra, who was at the Jharkhand student protest. And Kangana subsequently backed Mishra's criticism. She reposted a report about his remarks and accused Shah of eating the country's bread while fighting for a neighboring country. Then she added that being called a dog could actually be a compliment because loyalty and cuteness are rare, before saying she'd rather be a dog than a fox like Naseeruddin Shah. But Kangana's latest comments are also directly connected to the Jharkhand protests. She questioned why those in the film industry who had expressed concern over the Jantar Mantar protests were not showing the same concern for the students protesting in Jharkhand. Her argument was essentially this: if those students are Gen Z too, then why, she asked, is the response from Bollywood different? Kangana accused the industry of hypocrisy and said those who shed crocodile tears over the Jantar Mantar protests should do the same for the students in Jharkhand.
ये दोगलापन फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का भी नहीं चलेगा। फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के लोग जो घड़ियाली आंसू जंतर मंतर के लिए बहा रहे थे, वो सेम आंसू इनको अब ये बच्चों के लिए भी झारखंड में भी बहाने चाहिए, उनकी भी तो दुविधा है।
But the situation in Jharkhand has indeed become a major flashpoint. Job aspirants protesting over alleged irregularities in recruitment examinations clashed with police near the Jharkhand assembly. According to officials, police used water cannons and tear gas and resorted to a lathi charge when the situation turned tense. Several protesters and 4 policemen were injured. Kangana had also raised the issue in parliament, demanding answers over the treatment of the protesting students. But there is another layer to Kangana's recent comments. She had earlier faced criticism after calling Gen Z a generation gutter during her criticism of the JNU protests. Later, she softened her position, describing young people as a strength of the country. Now, with her latest comments, Kangana has once again placed student protests, celebrity silence, and Bollywood's response to political and social issues at the center of the conversation. And amid all this controversy, Kangana was also seen celebrating Teej with Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta. The actor-politician shared pictures from the celebration on social media, showing herself dancing and celebrating alongside other women. Kangana described it as her first Teej celebration and thanked Rekha Gupta for the warmth and hospitality. She said celebrating the festival at the Delhi Chief Minister's home gave her a feeling of an elder sister's affection and a sense of belonging. Kangana also shared pictures of her traditional look, wearing a green and orange silk sari with a contrasting green blouse, paired with a statement choker, matching earrings and bangles. The celebration offered a very different glimpse of Kangana, away from the parliament, the protests, and the ongoing Bollywood controversy. Beyond her film career, Kangana entered active politics ahead of the 2024 general elections and was elected as the BJP MP from Mandi in Himachal Pradesh. Since then, she has continued to speak on political, social, and cultural issues, often becoming a talking point herself. And now, her latest comments have once again brought her into the middle of a Bollywood controversy, this time involving Naseeruddin Shah, Piyush Mishra, and the ongoing student protests in Jharkhand. For more news and updates from the world of showbiz, stay tuned to Times Entertainment.